Hello YouTube, my name is Simon, and today in this tutorial we're gonna set up together a donation board. We need three things basically, okay? No, actually four. We need a brain, no, no. We need three things basically, okay? So first thing that we need is called Roblox Studio. Roblox Studio is a program that allows us to create games. So basically, go on Google, you type Roblox Studio and then start creating, and it will start the download. Second, we need an internet connection. And third, we need a PC. A PC, okay? PC means personal computer. So this cannot be made on Android devices or on iOS devices. First step is to click on the link in the description of this video. Then we're gonna click on get. Then we're gonna click on get now. This is a free model for now, so you won't be charged for it. Now we're gonna step 2 or 3, I don't remember, is to click on try in studio. A page like this one that you see in front of you will open. And now we need to learn a few things first. So first we're gonna need to know how to move. So press W, we go in front. If we press S, we go backward. D and A. Now to go upwards and downwards, we click on, no, we don't click on nothing. Now to go upward, we need to press the button E, which you can find on your keyboard. Now to go downward, you need to press the Q button, which also you found it on your keyboard. Now to control the camera, so basically to turn around, you just need to press the right click and move the mouse. It's pretty easy. Okay, so first thing first, we're gonna go on workspace, which we find in the right side of your screen. We click on this arrow. To me it's white, but to you it's probably black. Anyway, we go to boards, where it says boards. We click on it and we go here down to properties. We scroll down and we find position. We set this, we click on these numbers, okay, one time, okay, fuck. And then we say 0. I don't know how to call the sign, but it's not the point, it's another one. Anyway, 7 0, and we press enter. Okay, we press enter, pop, and there is it. Okay, now we click on the R one, white one. To me it's white, but to you it's probably black. Anyway, we delete readme. Okay, we click on it and we press the backspace, okay, which is the button that we use to delete letters. Okay, so delete. Then we go to delete me and we do the same thing. We press the backspace key. Okay, we delete also this if you have it. then we're gonna go to base rate. Okay, we're gonna press on this one, on the arrow, we're gonna delete the texture, and we're gonna make it look a little bit better. So we will change the material in, well, what you want, it depends. I also will change the color to make it look more like ice. And we click on spawn location, we set transparency to 1, and we also make so we don't see it, and we also press can't collide off to set it to off. Okay, now we're gonna double click on the spawn location, and the decal will select automatically. Otherwise you can select it manually, I mean mousely. Okay, we're gonna delete it, and boom, 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 bada boom. Okay, now we're gonna select products, and we need to replace these product IDs with ours. Okay, so how we gonna do that? First of all, we need to save the game. So we go on file, which is in the left side, and now we click on publish to Roblox, and in the name we can insert what we want. So like donate sign, or depends. Well, you can write everything you want. Okay, in the description is not necessary. Creator mean general, we're gonna disable team create even if it doesn't matter. Okay, so we click on create, and our game is officially a Roblox game. Okay, so we can close, we go home. Okay, home here, we go on game settings, and on permission we click public, which means that anyone on Roblox can join the game. Okay, so we click on save, then we click on close place. Okay, we go to my games, and on that one that we just created, we click on the 3 dots 2 times. Okay, 1 2, oh no, wait, 1 time, just 1 time, 1. Okay, now we go on configure place, okay, then we go there to developer products, and here it says here. Okay, so we need to click on it here. Okay, now we need to create a developer product, which is basically the button, let's call it like that, which the player will click. You will get the money. Okay, the owner of the game will get the money. So we'll click again on create now, new, I'm sorry, and we now need to decide a name. So we go back to Roblox Studio, we open the game that we just click on it. Okay, and these are basically the buttons. Okay, that the player will the buttons will appear here. Okay, and the player will click on it. So we now decide the amount that we're gonna get. So I leave it the way it is. So 5, 10, 15, and 100. Okay, so 5. we go back to the Chrome page, to our browser page, and we say donate 5. So, okay, we copy that, copy, and in the price we say 5. We click on create. Now we're gonna copy, no, let's make it them all, and then okay, then create new. We copy that, and this time we'll say 10. The name is not necessary. Okay, so you can say everything. You can say dollars, donate something. Okay, you don't need to say something. Anyway, this time we're gonna say 10 here. This is the most important. No? Okay, the price 10. Okay, 10. I don't remember if it was 50 or 15, I'm not sure. It's pretty confusing. Okay, so 50 or 15. Great. And the last one, which is 100. It's pretty easy. Trust me, guys. Trust me. 100. Okay. We now go on create. So we're gonna take this number, which is in an ID. Okay, so we basically copy that. So right click, copy. Now we go on Roblox Studio, and we will replace this this number that they give it to us with our. Okay, so we will press Ctrl plus V. Good, Ctrl V, and boom. Okay, next is 10, which is this one. Attention, okay, so be very careful to be the correct one. Okay, so we go on 10, we put this here. Next we go on 50 or 15, I'm not sure. I need to see that. Copy. We're done now. A bit. We're gonna put it more down. Okay, and pretty much this is all. So now we're gonna click on file. Okay, we're gonna click on publish to Roblox, and I think it's working right now, so it will be work. Now you should wait like 5 minutes until all the things get done. Let's test it. So we'll click on this one. Okay. What? Anyway, this is Amber. Okay, the creator of this board. It says like that: hello user, the donation board works in your actual Roblox game, not Roblox Studio. Okay, so we can change the animation, the dance animation, if you don't like this one. It says like the top donator, so she is currently top donator, but after someone will buy something, will be him. Okay, here. Okay. So now let's stop it. Okay, and we go on file, close, place, and we click on three dots, and we make open, and we click on open place page. Okay, this is the game. Now if we play on it, we can see that everything is working. The button that we say it shows it shows right there. So if we click on donate 5 robux, it will ask you. Okay, so let's say you call a friend on your game, on your own one, and so if for example someone comes into your game and click on donate 100 robux, after he will click on donate 100 robux, you will get 90 robux. Okay, so 90. Okay, why that? Because roblox gets 10% of the transaction. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments. Okay, guys. Okay, YouTube. So I did the exact same thing on a different account. Okay. Now click on donate 100 and boom, there is it. Your balance after this will be okay. So let's click on this and your purchase should donate succeed. Okay, so now our name should get there, and we gonna be the top donator in a short time. It's pretty funny. Anyway, thanks for watching, and bye.